Bonjour campers, welcome back to the channel, and today we are in Belgium. I woke up this morning in Deutschland. I was going to do a video from the start there, but I woke up and at about 8:30 it was already 32 degrees in the back of the van. So I woke up in a pool of sweat. It's now 9:30, I'm in Belgium, it's already 30 degrees outside. It is hot. So yeah, I've escaped to Belgium. I've been trying to get some cool air and also internet because I've booked a ferry for this evening. So we got a bit of driving to do today. I've booked the ferry for 5:15 from Calais to Dover. I will arrive back in Dover at 5:50. So I need to get to Calais around about 4 o'clock. Right, so that gives me about 7 hours to get there, 6 or 7 hours, and I'm currently 3 hours 15 minutes, 304 kilometers away from Calais. But I ain't gonna lie, I'm done with this hot weather. I am dripping. My little fan has got no chance in this weather, no chance. It is so hot. I'm gonna be like this for the next few days, so nah, I'm out of here, out of here. Yeah. We're not really cutting the trip short too much because it was more of a small one anyway, but it's a little disappointing. I'm having to rush back, but this is just horrendous, man. Horrendous. But anyway, I'll try and make a bit of a video today with just me sweating and drinking plenty of aqua and wearing a vest. So anyway, I'm going to hit the road, heading more towards the other side of Belgium. Ah, campers, the joy of Belgium traffic. Coming up to Brussels again, and it's just horrendous. It is 11:15 and it's already 32 degrees. So I'm a bit of a sweaty mess. But progress is a little slow. I keep pulling up at rest stops, but there's no shade and I just fry. So even if I did find shade, I will still be sweating. I may be going to a service station. Well, I did have a coffee earlier actually. Went to a service station with a bit of AC, but that's only for 5 minutes. Man, it is hot in Belgium. If I ever do a road trip to Belgium or Europe or Germany or Italy in the summer, get a car or van with air conditioning, because this is hardcore shiza. Oh, right, onwards to Calais. So over to our left is the city of Brussels, the capital of Belgium and the home of the EU. Interesting. Still hot, still very hot. Ah, hello campers, we have passed Brussels. I am close to Gent in a service stop. So hot. I just checked in the back of the van, it's 41 degrees in the back of that. Oh, so hot. So I've just been into that service stop. I had a ice cold cherry Coca-Cola, I had an ice cream. I was cooling down in there for about half an hour because it's got air conditioning, and lose my voice. And also I used the toilet and dunked my head in the sink and cooled myself down quite a bit. So yeah, just chilling out at this service stop for a bit. It's currently just after 1 o'clock. We've got about 2 hours of driving left. So I'll be getting into Calais, what, 3 o'clock? So probably gonna waste another hour around here. And then, yeah, I'll go back in the building and cool down with the AC, and then we'll head off. But to be fair, the day's going pretty quick. And yeah, we got through Brussels, around Brussels okay, because that, yeah, there was a bit of congestion leading up to it, but it weren't too bad in the end. But yeah, look, a good little stream, a little stream. It's very stagnant and very nice. This is the Flemish speaking part of Belgium, where I think they have smoking a pancake. I don't know, is that Netherlands? I don't know. But anyway, I'm gonna go back in the building and utilise that air conditioning. Well campers, we're just over an hour away from Calais. I've just been driving motorways all day. Come off the E40, I'm now on the A18. Man, it's been a boring drive. Boring drive. It's hot, it's sweaty, it's 35 degrees, and I'm just going. I'm just keep moving. There's not really a lot to show today. I've got the windows open, there's loads of road noise. I'm say an hour or so away from Calais, which means we'll arrive there at 3 o'clock. I don't want to get there that early, so shortly I'm going to pull over into a rest stop and waste an hour, and then yeah, try and find somewhere with air conditions to cool down a bit more. Oh, it's actually gone a bit cloudy. I'm hoping on the north coast of Belgium it may be a little bit cooler, because it's been hot, but yep, just a day of driving, not fun. Right campers, so apparently there's been an accident on the main road I was on, so the sat-nav took me on this little sneaky route into the Belgian countryside with what appears to be Schwittkon. That's very Lincolnshire-esque, so it's like being at home really. This is yeah, this single track concrete road was not what I had in mind today. Good job we're in plenty of time. But yeah, my phone is overheating. I've had to disconnect the charger. It's bloody windy, so that keeps coming off. It's just a mission today, it's just a mission. It is hot, and I did have a cheeky sesh on last night with some English gentlemen. Bad idea, bad idea. But we're slowly getting there, slowly getting there. There's some nice looking horses. So long, my friends, I've got a van up my ass. The Sprinter man ain't very happy. Wow, check out them natural clouds. Okay campers, we have completed Belgium and we are now in France. We are back in France. I did want to stop at a service station back there, but I was sort of in the zone and completely missed it. So the first air that I come to, I'm stopping there for a bit of Borussia Mönchengladbach, because I am rather hungry. I am rather hungry, rather tired, rather hot, and that's been a bit of a mission so far today. Been a bit of a mission. Plus note, we're only 39 minutes from Calais. The first air is blocked. Monsieur, was is das? I don't even know what. Je ne sais pas, je ne comprends pas. My français is awful. Right, we'll go on to the next one then. Right campers, well, I got the ham, the cheese and the lettuce out the fridge. The cheese was, yep, the ham was, yep, the lettuce was brown, so it all went in the bin. The fridge hasn't been working very well. So yeah, I'm just having a little breather. It is still mega hot. I've been in this petrol station. I had an ice cream and a fruity juice, non-alcohol of course. Just parked in the shade under a willow tree. Yeah, so I'm half an hour away from the port of Calais. It's 3:30, so I really need to get my arse into gear and get this ferry back to England. Whew. Well campers, we've got through passport control. The ferry's over there somewhere. I've got this van in the way. We're on a P&O Liberty. You're taking the Liberty, son. Let me just see. Is it on time? Yep, it's on time. 5:15. It's currently 4:25, so I've probably got a bit of a wait in the queue. It is sweating, very sweating in the van. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I'm gonna get some clothes ready for when I cross the border a little bit later on. So I'm still in the vest and flip-flops. So I'm gonna get me a t-shirt ready, get some trainers and socks ready, and then we'll board the boat. It is bloody hot still, bloody hot. I know I keep moaning, but man, it's hot. Right, yeah, passport control, the usual. Checked 3 times, questioned, and then was searched very thoroughly this time. Checking my bed, had the lights all around the leisure battery and all my wiring, and then okay, fine to go. Left my van in a bit of a mess. But anyway, right, in a bit. Well, campers, it looks like we're finally about to board. It's 5:15 and the ferry should have been leaving now. So I've been sat in this car park. The van is 34 degrees, it's hot, it's sweaty. I just want to get on that ferry, have a bit of Borussia Mönchengladbach, have a juice, and I'm probably going to sleep because I am absolutely knackered. And then I've still got a 3.5 hour drive back home on the other side, if there's no traffic issues. Been a very long day, very long day. Last campers, we are heading to open waters. That is a mission. That was a mission. This boat should have left 20 minutes ago. This ferry, sorry. Oh, so slow. Look at me spotty dinghy people. Nah. Oh, where do I go? Go straight on or what? Oh, so we're not going up the ramp today. Going straight on the underbelly of the ferry. Cool. Well, campers, we are on the boat. I'm going to get some Borussia Mönchengladbach, then I'm going to have a snooze, so I ain't going to bother filming on the way back. I'm just too tired. But, oh look, nice bus. Nice bus. Right, in a bit. So campers, the ferry ride is over. We are back in Dover, and man, there was like 1 million school kids on the ferry. Oh, I'm glad I didn't take the camera up because that was like hell on earth. Just feral children running amok, noisy, and yeah, anyway. Right, I'm just gonna nip to Tesco in Dover to get some diesel, and then I've got about a 3.5 hour drive home after that, 171 miles. Oh, it's a lot of driving today, a lot of driving. That'll probably take my total for today to about 400 miles. But from Germany, Belgium, France to home in the UK, and a ferry, a lot of travelling, a lot of travelling. Right, here we go campers, we're getting off the old ferry now, back into England. Come on, keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Yeah, keep it moving. Ah, the White Cliffs of Dover. It's supposed to have been about 33 degrees here in the UK. Not much different to Europe where I've been, but it's supposed to be a lot cooler in South Lincolnshire tomorrow in the 20s. So yeah, that's going to be nice. That's the people ready to board. Going the other way. Good luck with that heat, people. Right, let's go. Exit. Bye, Felicia. That was a missione today, and the day is still not over. I still got a bit more driving to do. Yeah, I'm heading to Dover Tesco to get some diesolium, and then onwards. Come on T4, you can do these hills. Oh, a big puff of smoke behind me there. Where am I going? Let's go. So long, Dover. There was another adventure over in Europe, and now we are back in England. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Right, let's get some diesel and we'll have a little assessment of the trip. So there you go, campers, we are back in the UK after our little European adventure in my 23-year-old VW T4. Yep, she's excelled herself again. No issues at all in terms of mechanics. The setup was all good, although I need air conditioning. It is so goddamn hot in that van. But yeah, hope you enjoyed the little European road trip to Deutschland. We had some good Mönchengladbach. We had some good German lager. We had Mönchengladbach at Borussia Mönchengladbach. We took the old bus around the Nürburgring. We did a hot lap or slow lap. I think my lap time was about 20 minutes, so yeah, I ain't gonna break any land speed records, but yeah, it was all good fun. Right, so I need to get some diesel, long drive home. Hope you enjoyed the adventure into Europe and to Deutschland, going through France, Belgium with some dubious overpriced Francais food and Belgique food, but Deutschland was definitely so good, wunderbar. But yeah, that'll do for now. I'm just gonna go home and go to bed because I'm gonna be very tired by the time we get back home. So if you enjoyed the video and the series, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, The Meat Manifesto, and keep an eye out for some more adventures in my good old VW T4. Thanks for watching. Peace out.